स्टैंडर्ड 8 सब्जेक्ट है सोशल साइंस चैप्टर 4 है हाउ द ट्रेडर्स बिकेम रूलर्स। अभी मैं आपको इसके गिव रीज़न करवाऊंगी। नंबर 1, द ब्रिटिशर्स इम्प्लीमेंटेड डिवाइड द रूल पॉलिसी इन इंडिया। तो आंसर आएगा द ब्रिटिशर्स कुड नॉट सक्सीड इन डायरेक्ट फाइट इन इंडिया। मोर ओवर मराठास मुगल किंग एंड निज़ाम were very strong to defeat them. The Britishers felt the need of making them fight mutually. Therefore, they implemented the policy divide and rule. Next question number 2 है reason number 2 है sorry number 2, the Britishers could not take over during the rule of Maharaja Ranjit Singh in Punjab. In Punjab, Maharaja Ranjit Singh was a very powerful ruler. He had developed very good relations with the Europeans. The Britishers could not succeed in exercising their group policy in the strong of the Sikhs. Therefore, they maintained good relations with Maharaja Ranjit Singh and postponed to invade Punjab. Number 3 है Lord Dalhousie is called a reformative गवर्नर। तो आंसर आएगा when Lord Dalhousie came to India there were very few administrative employees. He needed one more clerks. Therefore, to make the administration easier in colleges, we started universities in Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata to raise the infrastructure of communication. He started mail and telegraph to make goods and passengers transport easily. He started railway from Mumbai to Thane. He made many social reformative laws and got them executed strictly. Therefore, Lord Dalhousie is called reformative governor. Number 4, Lord Dalhousie became unpopular among people. Answer at Lord Dalhousie wanted to make East India Company unbeatable in India. Therefore, we expanded his rule by victory land confiscation. He implemented annexation policy. He annexed states like Nagpur, Satara, Kanpur and Jhansi, denying their rights of adopted son. This enraged kings owing to some reformative acts. Some conservatives were greatly displeased. For the facility of railway, people of India felt that the Britishers wanted to annihilate their culture. For all these reasons, Dalhousie became unpopular among people. Answer the following questions in brief. How were the Britishers benefited by the system of subsidiary alliance? तो आंसर आएगा द किंग ऑफ स्मॉल स्टेट्स ऑफ इंडिया स्टार्टेड एडॉप्टिंग लॉर्ड वेस्लेस सिस्टम ऑफ सब्सिडरी alliance one by one and gradually all of them came under the domination of the Britishers. Within a very short period, that is 7 years, Lord Wesley made the British power supreme and the area larger than their own country came under their rule with the money of the Indians and through the people of India. They established their rule in India and expanded the boundaries of the British power by exploitation. Number 2 है how did Dalhousie implement annexation policy? तो आंसर आएगा Dalhousie implemented annexation policy in the following way. Point है annex states under the pretext of misrule and disorder. Next point है annex states denying the recognition of adopted successors. Next point है annex states by winning territories through battles. Number 3 है which reformers did Dalhousie to in India? Question 3 है आंसर है रिफॉर्म्स डन बाय Dalhousie in India. One number in 1853 he started railway between Mumbai and Thane. He also started modern mail service. Number 2 in 1850 he made a law banning child marriages and law allowing widows to get remarried. Number 3, in 1856, he founded universities in Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata to extend the spread of education. Next है 1 और 2 सेंटेंस के क्वेश्चन आंसर. Number 1, which states in India got victimized by the system of subsidiary airlines of Wesley? तो आंसर आएगा निज़ाम, मैसूर, अयोध्या, गायकवाड़, महाराठा एक्सेट्रा. States got victimized by the system of subsidiary airlines of Wellesley. Number 2, of which policy of the Britishers did the Maratha states fall victim? तो आंसर आएगा मराठा स्टेट फेल victim of divide and rule policy of the Britishers. Number 3, what is called the system of subsidiary alliance? तो आंसर आएगा not to allow the French to be stronger in India as they made a system for the British power to creep in the states of India. This system is known as system of subsidiary alliance. Number 4 है how was the system of subsidiary alliance for the states in India? तो आंसर आएगा the system of subsidiary alliance was like sweet poison for the states in India. Initially, the kings found that by adopting it, they would be protected and they could get a great help from the Britishers. But later, they felt being enslaved. Number 5, what caused misrule of disorder in states? The answer आएगा the states which adopt Wesley system of subsidiary alliance started feeling quite secure as they